Hello friends, how are you? Have a nice day. Myself Prakash sir of NEET Computer Tutorial Platform. Congratulate you to our YouTube channel. मो आर पूर्व वीडियो रे MCQ 4 रे आपन को गोटे प्रश्न करथिली से क्वेश्चन टा थिला we store data into the hard disk drive, solid state drive, pen drive and also sometimes we write data into the CD drive by using the process called CD drive को डाटा लिखला बेले आमी जो प्रोसेस टा व्यवहार करंती से प्रोसेस टा को कोन कहा जाए. Thanks to Mr. Subha Panda because you have commented the correct answer. So now come to this question. Question number 91. The technical process used to write data into the CD drive is called. The alternative answers are the alternative points are data copy and paste, burning data to CD, data move to CD, data write to CD, and none of the above. The correct answer is point number B, that is burning data to CD. जेतबे CD को हमें डाटा राइट करंती ताको टेक्निकल वर्ड रे burning बोली कहा जाए, BURNING burning बोली कहा जाए. Then question number 92, what is the latest wireless technology used in tollgate as FASTag so that payment will be automatically debited from owner's account during passing four wheeler. जेतबे हमें चेकगेट पाखरे गाड़ी पास करंती सेतबे FASTag यूज करिकरी हमर अकाउंट रो ऑटोमेटिकली पैसा कटे. से वायरलेस टेक्नोलॉजी को हमें कोन कहंती. The alternative points are TFID, RFID, FRID and IRTD and none of the above. The correct answer is RFID, radio frequency identification device. That is a device, that is a kit that is automatically opened within a specific boundary and payment is deducted from the attached account. It is founded in 1983. 1983 मसिया रे ए जो फास्टैग सिस्टम टा बाहर कराइतला, that is called as RFID, radio frequency identification device. So that is a point number B is the correct answer. Then question number 93, which tag of RFID is deactivated temporarily when the owner leave the boundary area or store. जेतबेले आमे गोटे स्टोर किबा गोटे बाउंड्री एरिया रु बाहर को जाती सेतबेले RFID रो को टैग ऑटोमेटिकली डीएक्टिव हो जाए. टेम्पररी टैग बा तक हमें ऑटोमेटिकली डीएक्टिव टैग बोली कहबा. देन द अल्टरनेटिव चॉइस आर डाटा कॉपी एंड पेस्ट, फास्टैग, ऑब्जेक्ट टैग, जोम्बी टैग एंड नॉन ऑफ द अबव. द करेक्ट आंसर इज जोम्बी टैग. So this tag is automatically deactivated whenever we leave the store. Then question number 94, when we think about processor of a computer, there is a term used CISC and it stands for CISC रो full form कौन? Complex Information Sensed CPU, Complex Instruction Set Computer, Complex Intelligent Sensed CPU and Complex Instruction Set CPU, none of the above. The correct answer is Complex Instruction Set Computer. The B is the correct answer because it is a computer architecture that is capable of a multi-step operation. So that is a B is the correct answer. Then question number 95, what is the full form of MAR in computer application? Computer application ने MAR full form कौन? Memory address recorder, memory accessible register, main address register, memory address register and none of the above. The correct answer is point number D, that is memory address register because memory address register it hold the address of the active memory location. Then question number 96, computer device that detect each spot of image on a paper is called. पेपर रे जो पर्टिकुलर स्पॉट को डिटेक्ट करे कंप्यूटर जो डिवाइस माध्यम रे डिटेक्ट करे ताको हमें कोन कहंती. Video cam, webcam, scanner, CC cam, none of the above. So the correct answer is scanner. Scanner is the input device of a computer so that it will scan and send the image to the computer, which is called as the important device that detect each spot of image on a paper. Then question number 97 is database of Windows operating system that stores user accounts and security descriptors is called. SAM, RAM, ROM, disk and none of the above. The correct answer is SAM, means security account manager. Then question number 98 is, what is the resolution capacity of a super extended graphics array SXGA technology? What is the resolution capacity of a super extended graphics array? 1280 into 1024, 1024 into 1600, 1600 into 900, 800 into 600 and none of the above. एमान भीतर को रिजोल्यूशन एक्चुअली एक्सटेंडेड ग्राफिक्स एरे रे यूज हेई थाए. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज पॉइंट नंबर ए, दैट इज 1280 into 1024 This is 1280 should be horizontal pixel by 124 should be vertical pixel. So point number A is the correct answer. Then question number 99 is which of the following are contained in multimedia application? एमानक भितर केउ गुडी multimedia application अछि? Audio and image, video and image, video and audio, video and text, and none of the above. The correct answer is audio and video. So that is why point C is the correct answer, audio and video. Both are available in multimedia application. Question number 100. The term CAD in computer technology stands for. Computer technology रे CAD रो full form कौन? Computer art design, computer and design, computer aided design, and computers advanced design, and none of the above. So the correct answer is computer aided design. So point C is the correct answer because CAD is a computer based software used for 2D and 3D drawings. Double dimension एवं 3 dimension triple dimension drawing करिबार सहायता करता है विशेष करी it is used by engineers and designers. Then point number question number 101. ISRO Indian Space Research Organization launched 36 satellites for global communication network on web for which country on 23rd October this year. एई वर्ष अक्टोबर मास 23 तारिख रे ISRO केउ दश पई 36 टा सैटेलाइट विशिष्ट गोटे कम्युनिकेशन नेटवर्क लॉन्च कला. The alternatives are United States, Russia, Canada, United Kingdom, and Japan. So the correct answer is United Kingdom. Point D is the correct answer. Then question number 102. What is the full form of SLR in banking operation? Banking kamare SLR ro full form कौन? Statutory liquidity roster, statutory liquidity ratio, simple liquidity ratio, simple lending ratio, and none of the above. So the correct answer is point number B, that is statutory liquidity ratio. Because SLR is the amount of money commercial banks needs to maintain in cash, gold, and approved government securities determined by RBI. Then question number 103. In which year Microsoft Corporation was founded? This is a very important question. Microsoft Corporation America जो Microsoft Corporation ये केबे फाउंड करा जायथिला बा लॉन्च करा जायथिला? 1970, 1975, 1980, 1972, and none of the above. The correct answer is point number B, that is 1975. Microsoft was founded by Bill Gates and Paul Allen on April 4, 1975. So that is why point number B is the correct answer. Then question number 104. Which of the following computer memory is both static and non-volatile? एमानक भितर कोटा static आ volatile नुह बा डाटा समान लॉस करंती नाही. ROM memory, cache memory, RAM memory, pen drive, and none of the above. The correct answer is ROM memory, read-only memory. This is the static memory, but it is non-volatile. Data once ROM memory रहिले, data नष्ट हुए नहीं, loss हुए नहीं. So that is why point A is the correct answer. Question number 105. A set of changes to a computer program and its supporting data designed to update, fix, or improve it is termed as bugging, defragmentation, formatting, patching, and none of the above. The correct answer is patching. Patching means it refers to quick repair job for a piece of programming. Quick repair job जोटा को immediately से job को repair करी पारिबा. So question number 106 is which of the following is the fast processing operating system? एमानक भितर कोटा अधिक स्पीड ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम हेई थाए? मल्टीटास्क ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, रियल टाइम ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, बैच ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, नॉन ऑफ द अबव. The correct answer is distributed operating system because distributed operating system is a system software that handles jobs of multiple CPUs. So that is why point C is the correct answer. Question number 107. Microsoft Word is an example of which of the following? Database software, word processing software, presentation software, spreadsheet software, and all of the above. एमाने भितर Microsoft Word काहार example? The correct answer is point number B, that is word processing software. Database software, Microsoft Access होची database software, Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet software, Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation software. So that is why word processing software is the example of MS Word, Microsoft Word under Microsoft Office software. Then question number 108. ASK modulation technique is used to transmit 15 kbps binary data information signal using the baud rate is called dash. ASK means amplitude shift keying. The alternatives are 15 k symbols per second, 15 symbols per second, 1.5 k symbols per second, 150 symbols per second, and none of the above. गोटे सेकेंड रे केते इंस्ट्रक्शन ट्रांसमिट करि थाए, केतेटा सिग्नल से ट्रांसमिट करि थाए? द करेक्ट आंसर इज 15 किलो इंस्ट्रक्शन पर सेकेंड. बाउड रेट कहले दैट इज द यूनिट यूज्ड टू मेजर द स्पीड ऑफ अ सिग्नल और डाटा ट्रांसफर ऑन ए नेटवर्क. but bandwidth कहले that is the amount of data to be transmitted from one signal, one point to one node to another node. Question number 109 is which of the following is correct answer for which modulation is required? कौन पाई हमर मॉड्यूलेशन टा निहाती रिक्वायर एमान भितर की होची करेक्ट आंसर टू इंप्रूव द सिग्नल टू नॉइज रेशियो टू ट्रांसमिट इलेक्ट्रिकल सिग्नल ओवर एंटीना थ्रू फ्री स्पेस help to travel low frequency signal for a long distance to increase the strength of a signal and all of the above. So that is why the correct answer is all of the above, because in case of a modulation all these facilities are there, so that is why E is the correct answer. Then question number 110 is which of the following modulations are used for telecasting TV program? TV program telecast करिया पई एमान भितर को modulation टा व्यवहार कराय थाय. Amplitude modulation by AM, frequency modulation by FM, both A and B, phase modulation by PM, and none of the above. So the correct answer is both A and B. Amplitude modulation must be there, frequency modulation must be there, so that is why both A and B both are the correct, so C is the correct answer. AM कहले used for video transmission, amplitude modulation is used for video transmission, frequency modulation is used for audio transmission, and phase modulation is used for transferring radio waves. So that is why point number C is the correct answer. I hope this video will find you in a good health and spirit. आपण आम वीडियो देखिले सेति पई आपण को आमे आम तरफ धन्यवाद. ए वीडियो रे आपण कोन जानिले केते टेक्निकल कांसेप्ट आपण गेन कले मते कमेंट माध्यम रे जणाइबे. ए वीडियो रे मु पुनी गोटे प्रश्न आपण को दोउची. At the end of this video there is a question for you. Comment me the real answer. The question is the process of mixing the signal with the carrier in point of signal transmission is called. ए क्वेश्चन आंसर आपण कमेंट माध्यम रे जणाइबे. जदि आम चैनल को आपण नुआ करी आछंती नुआ कर देखुचंती ताले शेयर करिवे, सब्सक्राइब करिवे, बेल आइकन क्लिक करिवे जहा कि आपण को हमर नुआ नोटिफिकेशन जहा जहा वीडियो हम अपलोड करिवो आपण को नोटिफिकेशन मिल जिवो.